welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to Wonderland. So we took a 378 from our place till Kengeri. You can reach there by metro or bus, and then from there we took 226, that is to Wonderla Gate. We got on at the Wonderla Gate stop, and there's so many dress shops that are there because Wonderla has strict costume restrictions, so you have to follow the rules and regulations that they have. So do not worry too much. There's so many multiple shops right out there on the way to Wonderla, and you can take an auto to Wonderla from the Wonderla Gate for rupees 100 for how many ever people can fit in the auto. So 3 people, and it costed us rupees 100. While coming back we were 5, and it still costed rupees 100. So do not worry much about the nylon clothing, but make sure you have the nylon clothing because they won't allow at any cost inside. Even if your moms and or any elderly people are going, they have to wear the nylon clothes to play the water games. So then we entered Wonderla, and it was such a good feeling to come there with my friends again, with a different group of people again. So in the entrance they did have this little dance performances and some traditional dance performances that were going on, and we reached there by 10:30, and we were there in the counter by 11. So by 11 we almost entered Wonderla. ಹೇಳು ಲೈಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎತ್ತರ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಕಳಕ್ಕೆ. This is the main center part of Wonderla, and from here we went to get our locker done. The locker costs rupees 300 for one locker, and 100 rupees is a security deposit. So all of us shared one locker only because we didn't have much stuff to keep. So one locker cost you like 300 with 100 rupees security. Give you this band that has the lock or key for the locker, so you have to just scan over there and then you can use it. Once you're done, they actually give you the 100 rupees back, so nothing to worry. And once we got a locker, we went on playing the dry games. The first we went for was the roller coaster because that's the highlight of Wonderla. So we couldn't miss it because over the time it would get rush. So we went as soon as possible. That is the first game that we played. And it was such a memory to always cherish. We got the photo also. The photo, whether on hard copy or soft copy, costs rupees 150, so you can take either one of them. Then we went to the Wonder Splash. That is also another highlight of Wonderla. So that is a picturesque ride that is very, very good. So that's like a very normal ride, but it feels very good to go to that ride. Then we went to Maverick, which is a must try ride for everyone who's going to Wonderla. If you don't have any nausea, or if you're not someone who vomits, who tend to vomit because of the jerks and all of it, if you're not someone like that, then definitely try. We were in the line for so long. That's also a very highlighted ride of Wonderla, so yes. And on the way, make sure that your hair is all tied, and if you have long hair, make sure you braid it because sometimes it tends to fall down. If it definitely falls down, so sometimes it's disturbing also. One thing I would like to tell in Maverick is make sure you keep your neck stiff because it keeps on rolling. So sometimes if your neck is loose, you tend to get cramps also.
Guys, please throw your dust in dustbins.
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Next, we went to the most recent ride that came into Bengaluru Wonderla. It was such a overwhelming experience because we all really felt proud that Bengaluru has a ride like this, and it was so good to be able to enjoy it. So we all were very, very happy because of this. So this was Interstellar ride that was recently added to Wonderla, and it was so good, guys. You have to try it because once I was in, I think, 8th standard when I went to Singapore Universal Studios, and I would say it is a very close match to Universal Studios. One of the ride I don't remember because I was very small back then. So it is really good. If you go to Wonderla, do definitely go to this ride.
Hi, this is Vanjush. We're gonna go have a lunch. We are in locker room to take some of our belongings. We go have lunch and then continue with wet games. It's already, I don't know. 2:50. It's already 2:40. Actually have your lunch with the ticket. Like you can like pay pre-book your food also, like they both did. We didn't because we wanted to come and try over here. We only had limited options in the website, so we thought we'll come here and then try. Yeah, so this is it. We're gonna go now and see whatever is available, and then we're gonna buy, have it, and then get changed. So yes. Guys, this water is tasteless and we're paying 60 rupees because we don't have an option. We're thirsty. Guys, this bottle costed us 60 rupees and you have options for food. You have momos and pizza over here, and inside they do have all the like lunch options. Not much they have actually. They have only noodles. They have more non-veg options, I feel. So if you can, please do book pre-hand and whatever it is. So please book beforehand. There are also many restaurants actually, but you just have to search all of them. This is the one that is in the center, and the most visited one, I feel. Restaurant there, but they're all like less visited, and we do have some of them in the between. I believe the first time I came, we did have like 3 to 4 restaurants. I'm not sure about it now. So yes, we have ordered a pizza, some water, and Sprite. She looks from their family. Same. ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ವಂಡರ್ಲಾ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಫೋನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ
ಗೈಸ್,
ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಹೇಳಿ 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 ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತಾಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂತಾಳೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ she lost her phone. This useless lady lost her phone. Useless lady. ಬೇಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ ಅವಳು.
I hope my father doesn't see this vlog. Thank you. Guys, we're all ready for our water rides. So yeah. Hey. Guys, Mamta just had to change her costume because they told that's not nylon. I feel that is nylon, but these guys have some different rules. I don't know what. So Mamta has gone to change her clothes. We're gonna go check if she has changed. I don't think I'll be able to vlog from now on because I'm leaving my phone in the locker. I didn't want it to carry because I'm irresponsible, and I don't think I'll be able to like manage my phone. So as soon as Mamta comes, we're gonna go and continue playing. Oh shit, built it. Yeah, let's go. No, I think a transparent cover ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ತಗೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬಾ.
We had major FOMO. That's why we are at the shop to take the cover. ಹೊರಗಡೆನೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಫೋನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ತಲೆ ಬೋಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೋಬೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಫೋನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 350. ಬೇಡ 350 rupees it seems. ಸೊ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಟು we're gonna play. Yeah. It is 7 o'clock. Also, there was a night party when we went to Wonderla, so we had this all music set up over there for the people who came for the night party. Also, there is one concept of clicking photos in Wonderla. So if you guys are wanting to click your photos, then make sure you select them, because they, after going to the counter, they actually mislead you and you will have to get all the photos. So instead of that, because what they do is they click multiple photos of the same pose or something as such. So there are like 8 photos of the same pose, 9 photos of the same pose. So if there's something like that, then make sure you select the photos, because at least you'll be having the correct and the photos you want for the right amount of price. So if you just are lazy to select the photos, you'll have to pay for the entire
photos that they've clicked, and they are so intelligent that the minimum they click at least 90 pictures, and it will cost you around 850 rupees for all the 90 pictures. So that is the case. From there you also have buses for rupees 100. That's the KSRTC bus till any of the stop for till the Wonderla gate, I think, or I'm not sure, maybe till the nearest metro station. So instead of that, you can take auto again for rupees 100, come there and they'll drop you near the bus station. From there you can take bus or metro till your place back again. So if you're going to Wonderla, do spare like a weekend and go on Saturday, because you need the entire Sunday, and whenever you sleep you still feel like you're going in some ride or something. So make sure you have an entire weekend booked for it. And I hope this video was helpful to plan your Wonderla trip. Thank you.